Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to format Samsung T7 Shield SSD in this device, using this device. Okay, so here you can say I already connected this the SSD to this phone. You can see this USB storage. If you tap on this one, these are the contents inside this SSD. Okay, so let me show you how to safely format this as a SSD using this phone. Okay, after open this SSD, tap on three dots on the top right side. So here you can see the option format. Tap on this one, then confirm this option. Everything on the USB storage 1 will be erased. The USB storage 1 is the name of this SSD. Okay, if you tap on this option format, it will erase all the content from this SSD. Then confirm this one format. Now again tap on, you can see it is successfully formatted. If you tap on this one, you can see there is no files. So simply in this way we can format Samsung T7 Shield SSD using this phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.